Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add new background images in PhotoRoom step by step. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, you can just tap on the start from photo, then select a photo that you want from your gallery. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom automatically removes the background. After that, you will be taken to a page with different sections like suggested edits, edit with AI, classic, and so on. From this scene, you can just go to the classic section. Within here, you can see photo previews like white, black, transparent, and original image. Tap on any photo preview and this opens the editor. Inside the editor, tap on the background button. At the top, you will see a background option, and below it there are three options like colors, image, and erase. To add a new background image, tap on image. Here you can choose a background from different multiple sources like camera roll, camera, files, and generate. Also below them, PhotoRoom provides a built-in background images organized into categories like textures, colors, patterns, scenes, art, nature, and events. Please make sure to select an image. After you select an image, make sure to adjust it until it looks right behind your subjects. Then tap on done, and once you are happy with the result, you can just click save and then choose the option given, then tap close design. This makes sure to successfully save your photo in the device, and that's how you can add a new background images in PhotoRoom easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.